from Albuquerque. I was at a train swap yesterday and I found this neat little River Rossi engine with real pretty valve gear, and it was a good price. Seems to run okay. I stuck the Wheels Museum Railroad decal on there, and it motivated me to keep working, finish up this Mantua Mogul that I have from late 40s, early 50s. It was a kit, and I cleaned it up and gave it a paint job last night and cleaned up all the little parts. And I had to put new trucks under the tender. I got them off a newer Mantua and fiddled with them a bit, and I connected the wire from the motor to the tender with a screw. Now, to be fair, I haven't put the front trucks on. It's a 260, and I haven't put the 2 on yet because I've had to take it apart and reassemble it 100 times. Turns out that the power cable, when I put the shell on, was pulling the brushes just a little bit. And she pulled some amps, and I think I finally got her going. Takes a lot of just tinkering with these old vintage engines, I guess. And they draw lots of amps. And one of the things I learned with my American Flyer HOs is that they like some amps. So, over here, you'll see my little setup, the rectifier, and an American Flyer power supply. That little Athearn toy back there just overloaded. So, let's give her a shot, shall we? 1949 Mantua Mogul.